Thanks for coming back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the world of online finance to find out more about DEX-SOE.com, a site that has been getting a lot of attention. I'm John, and on this channel we're committed to keeping you informed and protected from potential scams. If you've ever considered DEX-SOE.com for your financial ventures, you'll want to pay close attention. DEX-SOE.com positions itself as a reputable brokerage firm, offering exciting investment opportunities and unparalleled support. But there is a dark side of lying and manipulation hidden beneath its shiny surface. Many investors have told awful stories about their bad experiences with DEX-SOE.com, such as being unable to withdraw their money, having their trades manipulated, and the company not caring at all about their rights as investors. Our investigation has found a concerning sequence of fraudulent conduct, such as making false claims and using deceptive advertising to trick investors who aren't paying attention. But that's not all. Our research has uncovered instances of misleading advertising by using false celebrity endorsement and fake reviews. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. Before you consider investing with DEX-SOE.com, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and to proceed with caution. It's also not clear what DEX-SOE.com is doing, which adds to the confusion. Investors don't know about important parts of the platform because there isn't clear communication and responsibility. This makes fraud and exploitation more likely. It's essential for investors to conduct thorough due diligence and research before engaging with platforms like DEX-SOE.com and to prioritize security and risk management at all times. If you've encountered any setbacks with DEX-SOE.com or suspect foul play, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit brokercomplaintalert.com for guidance and support in safeguarding your crypto investments. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds.